Okay, so let's be honest, cleaning the litter box has got to be one of the worst parts of having cats. And I've got two of them, Casey and Chloe. And let's just say, keeping their litter box clean is a constant battle, day in and day out. So I went and tried out the Litter Robot 3, and let me tell you, it was a game changer compared to scooping every day. But when Litter Robot 4 came out, I just had to see if it really lived up to the hype. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be getting into some of the best automatic litter boxes. With so many different options on the market, I know it can be tough to figure out if it's worth the upgrade or if these devices really make a difference. So today, I'm going to share my experience with the Litter Robot 3 and 4, and I'll also be comparing it to another option out there to help you decide if it's the right fit for you and your cat or cats. And if at any point you're thinking of making the switch to the Litter Robot 3 or 4, I actually have an affiliate link in the description down below. It'll give you a discount that you won't find by going directly to their website. And so without further ado, let's jump right into it. Okay, so starting with the Litter Robot 4, it's the latest model released in 2022, and it comes with some pretty amazing upgrades that seriously make life easier for cat owners. Right from the start, this litter box takes care of cleaning itself after each use, so you can finally say goodbye to scooping every day and all the hassle that comes with a regular litter box. One of the best features here is the built-in Wi-Fi, which connects to the Whisker app, which makes everything so convenient. You can monitor your cat's weight, track litter levels, and get notified when the waste drawer is full, all from your phone. It even lets you know when the litter is getting low, so there's no more guessing or constantly checking. It really takes the effort out of the entire process and makes it super efficient. And for odor control, the Litter Robot 4 is a big step up. It has a carbon filter in the waste drawer to lock in smells instantly. And since it separates waste from clean litter right after each use, it keeps everything fresher for a lot longer. Another nice upgrade is how quiet it is, operating at just 25 to 35 decibels, so you can barely hear it even if you're close by. And it costs $699, but they offer financing starting at around $44 a month if you go for the 18-month plan, so it's more manageable if you're on a budget. It also comes with a 1-year warranty, and if you're like me and want extra peace of mind, you can extend it to 3 years for an extra $100. Now, performance-wise, this model really stands out by having waste detection sensors that are more accurate, and you can also set the cleaning timer to kick in anywhere from 3 to 30 minutes after your cat exits, depending on what works best for you. So it's perfect if you have multiple cats too. Mine handles both Casey and Chloe easily. Plus, it's super efficient with litter use, which means less litter replacing on my end. All in all, the Litter Robot 4 has been a total game changer for me. And with its smart features, efficient cleaning, and top-notch odor control, it's made life with cats so much easier. So if you're looking for a reliable, high-tech solution that saves you from daily scooping, the Litter Robot 4 is definitely worth considering. Moving on to the Litter Robot 3, this model might be one of the older ones in the lineup, but it's still incredibly effective at taking the hassle out of litter box cleaning. Just like the Litter Robot 4, the Litter Robot 3 is fully self-cleaning, automatically sifting through the litter and separating waste after each use. This means less scooping and a much cleaner litter box with minimal effort. Now, one of the standout features of the Litter Robot 3 is its weight-based sensor. This sensor detects when your cat goes in and out of the box, and then a few minutes later, it automatically starts the cleaning cycle to keep everything fresh. No effort needed from you at all. Now, compared to the Litter Robot 4, it's a bit simpler since it doesn't connect to an app or track your cat's weight, but honestly, it still does an impressive job of handling all the essential litter box tasks without the extra tech. The odor control system is also a big plus, with a carbon filter right in front of the waste drawer that helps trap unpleasant smells. And when it's time to empty the waste drawer, you just remove the liner, toss it, replace it, and you're all set. It's straightforward and easy. And as for the noise, the Litter Robot 3 operates at around 35 to 45 decibels, which is a bit louder than the newer model, but still pretty manageable. Priced at $549, so it's also more affordable than the Litter Robot 4, making it a solid choice if you're looking to keep costs down. Overall, the Litter Robot 3 is a great choice for anyone wanting a reliable, self-cleaning litter box without all the latest high-tech features. It gets the job done and makes life with cats a little easier. Lastly, let's get into the CATLINK self-cleaning litter box. Although it might not have the same brand recognition as the litter robot, it's a solid competitor for those looking for an automated litter box solution, especially in multi-cat households. And just like the litter robot, the CATLINK sifts and separates waste automatically, so you won't have to do the daily scooping yourself. And one standout feature of the CATLINK is its double odor control system, which combines a carbon filter with an air purifier to help eliminate smells more effectively. Plus, it connects to a user-friendly app, allowing you to adjust cleaning settings, monitor how often your cat uses the box, and even keep track of your cat's weight. The app provides different cleaning models: auto, manual, timer, and empty, so you can set up a cleaning schedule that works best for you and your cats. That said, when it comes to the type of litter that you can use, tofu and clay litter are both compatible with a CATLINK. Tofu litter is made from natural plant-based materials, like soy, so it's eco-friendly and gentle on your cat's paws. It's lightweight, low dust, and does a good job of absorbing odors, which makes it a great option for those looking for a sustainable choice. Clay litter, on the other hand, is the classic option most of us know. It forms firm clumps when wet, is great at controlling odor, and is generally more affordable. The downside, however, is that it can be a bit heavier and sometimes dustier than tofu. With both options available, you can pick whichever best fits you and your cat. That said, there are a few drawbacks. Like many users know, the odor control isn't as effective as they'd hoped, with some smells still escaping. On top of that, setting up the app can be tricky, as some people experience Wi-Fi connection issues and limited troubleshooting support. Lastly, the CATLINK does need to be placed on a stable, flat surface for the sensors to function properly, which might limit placement options. Overall, CATLINK is a reliable, affordable alternative to pricier models like the Litter Robot 4, but it might lack some ease of use and doesn't offer complete odor management. And that about wraps up my honest review of the best automatic litter boxes, especially the Litter Robot 3 and 4. Both models are great options for keeping your cat's litter box hassle-free. The Litter Robot 3 is a solid choice for those on a budget, offering reliable cleaning and decent odor control at a lower price. If you're ready to invest in more advanced features though, the Litter Robot 4 is worth the upgrade. For me and my two cats, Casey and Chloe, the weight tracking, real-time waste alerts, and quieter operation have made a huge difference. It really simplifies litter box maintenance and keeps things fresh. And for those looking for an affordable alternative, the CATLINK self-cleaning litter box is a great option, offering app control and strong odor management. It's a bit simpler in health tracking, but provides useful features for multi-cat households. At the end of the day though, it really just depends on what works best for you and your cat. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I hope this video helped you get a clearer picture of which option might be the best option for you and your cat or cats. And so if you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews like this one. And just to reiterate one more time, if you're thinking of making the switch to the Litter Robot 3 or 4, I have an affiliate link in the description down below. It'll give you a discount that you won't find by going directly to their website. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.